Welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and a quick unboxing today. This is a razor I bought in Australia off the Bay of E. And we'll get into it. Doubly wrapped. So here we go. It's a service kit, or a service set I should say. A little bit of a ding there, looks like that could clean up a bit. I might have to do that afterwards. Yeah, so let's open it up. And inside we go. Oh, so it looks like they haven't been used, maybe. Okay, I haven't had one with a base plate like this before. Wonder what the idea of that is. Keyhole. And we have the handle, which hopefully will clean up nicely. So you get that to focus. I wonder if this is silver plated. Surely it couldn't be. Anyway, see how it cleans up. Be an interesting one to shave with. And there we go. And these blades look brand new, just look squashed up. I'll probably give these a try as well to shave with. Yep, brand new. Cool. Hope you enjoy. We'll see you next time. Ciao for now.